Hey, I'm David from ChefsTemp. Are you having trouble pairing your ProTemp 2 Plus? Don't worry, today I'll walk you through common issues and how to fix them to get your device paired correctly. Let's go ahead and dive in. Step 1, check the battery first. Ensure that your ProTemp 2 Plus stand and probe are fully charged using a 5-volt 2-amp charger. Do not use a 12-volt charger or an AC charger. The stand takes about 4 to 5 hours to fully charge, while the probe only needs about 15 to 20 minutes. Check the battery indicators on the stand to confirm that they're ready. If you're having charging issues, reach out to our support team at info@chefstemp.com. Next, open the ChefsTemp app. When you first install it, you'll see pop-ups asking for permissions. So please grant all requested permissions, including location, nearby devices, and notifications. These are all essential for pairing. After granting permissions, tap Add Device, select the ProTemp 2 Plus, and then follow the on-screen guide. If you already have other ChefsTemp products, you may not see Add Device right away. So go to My Connections, scroll down, and select Add Device to continue. If you're stuck at the C1 stage, this indicates a Bluetooth pairing issue, and here are 3 common issues. Number 1, the probe is still in the stand, so remove it before pairing. Number 2, the probe's battery is low, so you can charge it for 15 to 20 minutes first. And number 3, the probe might already be paired to another ChefsTemp device. Each probe can only connect to one device at a time, so check other nearby devices. If you've checked the above and still have issues, your probe might be malfunctioning, so download the LightBlue Bluetooth scanner app. You'll see the ProTemp stand and probes displayed in this list. The number of probes shown corresponds to the number of probes that you have. If your probe doesn't appear in the app list, it may not be fully charged, or it could be defective. In this case, contact our support team at info@chefstemp.com for assistance. Once you pass the C1 stage, you've successfully connected via Bluetooth. Great job. Now let's set up Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. The ProTemp 2 Plus uses both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi is recommended for the best experience. So here are 2 key tips. Number 1, don't manually enter the Wi-Fi SSID. Use the magnifier icon in the app to auto-detect your network and avoid typos. Then carefully enter your Wi-Fi password, ensuring every character is correct. Avoid using autocorrect. Number 2, connect to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and not 5 gigahertz. The 2.4 band offers better range and penetration, which is why it's used by most home electronic devices. And ensure your phone is also connected to the 2.4 gigahertz network during setup. Once paired, the Wi-Fi icon on the stand screen will be steady, not flashing or missing, and you're now ready to cook with confidence. If you encounter any issues during Wi-Fi pairing or just have other questions, reach out to our support team at info@chefstemp.com. Also, please join our vibrant Facebook community to connect with other cooking and barbecue enthusiasts, share tips, and discover new ways to use your ProTemp 2 Plus. Just search for ChefsTemp on Facebook. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see you in our community. Happy cooking.